Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Kali Linux in VirtualBox step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, just follow along. First of all, open your browser and search for Kali Linux. This is the official website of Kali Linux. Click on it. Now here you see a download button over there. Click on it. Now there are some Kali platforms here. We have to download for virtual machine. So click on virtual machine. Now here you see some pre-built virtual machines. We have to download for VirtualBox. So click on the download icon inside the virtual machine. You can also download the torrent file if your internet connection is slow or your PC configuration is low. But my recommendation is download the main file. Now our download has started. Wait until the download is complete. Now our Kali Linux file is downloaded successfully. Now go to your file location where you downloaded the file. Then create a new folder for Kali Linux where we will install all the file of Kali Linux. Now we have our Kali Linux file as a zip file. We have to extract the file. So select the Kali Linux file and click the right mouse button. Then click on Extract All. Now click on Browse and select the folder of Kali Linux that was created. Then click on Extract button. It's going on. Wait until the complete. Now it's completed. If you want to see the extracted file, just open the folder. Okay, our first part is successfully done. Now we have to download VirtualBox where we will set up Linux operating system. So again, open your browser and search for VirtualBox. This is the official website of Oracle VirtualBox. Open it and click on Download button on the top. Then here you see the virtual platform packages for Windows, macOS, Linux, and for others. I am using Windows operating system, so I am downloading for Windows host. Okay, VirtualBox is downloaded successfully. Now we have to download VirtualBox extension pack. So click on Accept and Download and select folder where you want to download it. Download it successfully, then go to the file location where you downloaded the VirtualBox software and double click on VirtualBox software for Open It. This is the welcome interface of VirtualBox. Then click on Next button, accept the terms of the license agreement. Again, click Next, click Next, click Yes, click Yes, click Next. Finally, click on Install. Now it's installing and done. Click on Finish, then it will open automatically. But in your case, if it doesn't open automatically, then open it manually. This is the main interface of VirtualBox Manager. First of all, we have to install extension file. Click on three dot on the left bottom. Now here, see the extension button over there and click on it. Then click on Install option and select the extension file of VirtualBox. Click on I agree and done. Our extension pack added successfully. Then click on Home. Now click on plus icon and select the Kali Linux file. Now here you see our Kali Linux file added successfully. Then double click on Kali Linux operating system for Open It. This is the interface of Kali Linux. We have to write here username and password over there. The default username and password both are Kali. Just type here and click on login. Okay, our Linux operating system runs successfully. Now if you want to shut down, click on the power button on the top right corner and click on shut down button. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.